I've said it before and I'll say it again. This is just my favorite thing to do.
Did you take a picture of a happy man?
Oh my god, this might be the coolest shot ever. Holy shit. Did I get it? Hey, welcome to another video. In today's video we are in Rotterdam and this is one of the bigger cities in the Netherlands. It's quite windy, as you can see. This is actually, if you ask me, one of the cooler locations in the Netherlands. It's very industrial, tall buildings, lots to see, and it's very sort of Brooklyn vibes. This is exactly where we're gonna take some portraits. I've got my sister here behind the camera. She's gonna be modeling for us today. Hola! Yay, we're back. The A team is back together. So tomorrow, on Sunday, I'll be hosting a portraits workshop. In order to make that workshop work, we need to test out the route we're gonna be walking. So that's exactly what we're gonna be doing today. Oh wait, I'm almost getting hit by a skateboarder. It's the tallest buildings of the Netherlands. So for starters, I want to shoot in monochrome, and with this I mean I'm going to change the picture profile on my camera to monochrome. So we're going to be shooting black and white. Let me know in the comments how you feel about this and if you've ever tried it before. But I think with the symmetry of the buildings and Julia's outfit, black and white shots are going to be beautiful. So this is where I'm going to start with taking some portraits. Oh, my camera is heavy, I'm like shaking. But yeah, let's get into it. With a location like this one, I've got buildings on each side of me, so what helps is to look up towards the lighting, because if I look down, you see I look like 10 years older. You can see my dark circles. If I just do this, tilt up my head a little bit more, it fills in these shadows. So the aim of the game of my workshop is to create cinematic portraits, but I think what adds so much value to a workshop is that when you can create a lot of different settings. With that I mean different type of shots. So at the moment we're sort of looking for different locations. The world is my tripod. I don't need tripods. You're currently on a bin. Wat? Nee man. Kun je ook die paraplu pakken?
I'm genuinely, it's like dead thing that cannot be named.
For y'all that don't know, Faye has musophobia, meaning she is deathly afraid of rats.
No, it's dead, it's dead, it's dead.
I also brought another prop. It's my water spritz. And as you can see, Julia has a see-through umbrella. And how cool is it to spray water on top of her umbrella? It's almost blue hour, so that is just asking for beautiful bokeh background with the colors of the city. Of course, this photo screams for a light. Nice. Okay, I've got an error. Okay, I've never had this error before. I don't know, I just take out my battery. My camera, for reference, is 3 years old. It's my trusty friend. So for this spot, I try and frame Julia in front of the light. That way the light shines through the umbrella and it gives such a cool effect. It's a tram view. I just want to integrate these ripples that you can see on the water with all the lighting and everything. That looks so cool. So let's give it a go. Still shooting on my 85mm f1.4. Oh wow, beautiful. Alright, let's have a little break because I wanted to let you know that all of the photos you're seeing in this video have been edited using my new Lightroom preset pack. I launched this pack not too long ago. This new preset pack is perfect for portraits and street portraiture, and in the pack you can find over 15 presets. And I've also made a walkthrough tutorial for every single preset so you know how to use them to their full potential. Besides that, I've also added a bunch of my raw files and a guide to skin tones as well. So if you want to check it out, click on the link in my description and then we head back to the video. I reckon if Julia stands here with the umbrella, I think it's gonna look really cool. Yep. I love how this looks. Let's get down a bit. Picture of you? Yeah, sure. Of you?
Can you take a picture of a happy man?
Yeah. Okay. Nice. Nice. Yeah, got it.
A happy man wants to take pictures every day.
Of course.
A happy man.
Nice.
One way to have. I'm TNT. Dynamite.
Okay. What? Yeah.
TNT.
There are so many interesting people here. So far, it's nearly 8 o'clock. We started around 6, so almost 2 hours down. That's how fast time goes. I've said it before and I'll say it again. This is just my favorite thing to do. No plan, walk around the streets, see what looks nice and just shoot it and try it. And sometimes, yes, I shoot something and it looks like shit, but then at least you tried it, and from there I sort of think of a new idea and I create something better. So you just gotta keep building on your ideas. Now we're at one of the final spots, which is a bus station, and I just love to share how I use external lighting at these type of photo shoots. By the way, I've linked all the gear I use in this video in the description, alongside the little light I use, my lenses, my camera, everything, even the umbrella I've linked as well. I stand on this side and don't look down, only up. Oeh, heel mooi. Let's add some water into the mix. Okay, trick is spray it up there so it drips down. Stand still. I'm gonna focus manually. Let's focus on the drips. Let's bring up our aperture. Focus. Yes, beautiful. Oh my god, this might be the coolest shot ever. I have to hurry. Hold it steady. Holy shit. Did I get it? Yo, I got the most steady hands ever. And here we are at the end of this video. It was so much fun bringing you along for testing all the different locations for my workshop. And now we're actually a couple weeks ahead and I've hosted the workshop, and To finish up this video, I'm gonna show you the after movie, and this is how it went. And also, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I also hope to see you at my next one. Okay, bye bye. Doei!